I'm going to show you, we've had the worst squash bugs in our garden. Let's see if I can hold this. See if I can hold the camera without. So we've had horrible squash bugs, and I hate bugs. I'm not super girly, but when it comes to bugs, yeah, I don't want to touch them. I don't want anything to do with a bug. So I found this remedy on somewhere on Pinterest or something, and it was saying peppermint oil will get rid of the squash bugs. We originally, I mean, it was so bad. They were clumped. The bugs were so clumped. You couldn't even count how many bugs were on the stem. They were just, there were so, and there was multiple stems and leaves they were under, and there was tons. I sprayed this peppermint oil, and I did it every morning for 3 days in a row. I skipped yesterday. Yesterday's the first day I didn't do it, but I'm gonna go do it this morning. Anyhow, I would say by the third day of just spraying, and I just sprayed this peppermint oil in water, and you spray under the leaves and good, probably 90 to 95% of the squash bugs are gone. Yesterday when I was out there, I could see one little cluster of maybe 5 or 6 squash bugs. Like they were all together, but there wasn't as many, like you could count 5 or 6 there. And then aside from that, I probably saw 5 or 6 random one at a time squash bugs. That is huge. So I'm gonna do this again today, and I'll show you. So this, I just use the doTERRA peppermint oil. That's what I have, because doTERRA brand is seriously the best. In this little 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20. Okay, oops, 21. That's okay. I do 20 drops of the peppermint oil in this. The lady that I guess it was a video that I watched, they had one of those big like gallon or 2-gallon weed sprayers, and they said they use half a jar, so it's like 120 drops or something. So I think 20 drops for this little squirt bottle is probably way more than I need. I probably could get away with 10, but I really don't like bugs. so I wanted to spray. So I'm gonna go out to the garden and I'll show you. Let's see how many bugs we have. Okay, these, can you see those right there? Those are squash bugs. Now normally oh, look at that cluster. Ah! Okay, that's kind of how they were a few days ago. So I just missed 1 day of spraying. Then we must have had a bunch of eggs hatch. Sometimes they lay eggs. Oh, see that? Those little brown things, those are eggs. And you're supposed to pull those off with tape and all that. But that's the only leaf I can see them on so far. But see how some of these leaves are turning yellow? That's from these squash bugs. I'm looking under some of these other leaves, and I'm not really, it's that one is, oh no, those are dead. They're on top of those leaves down below. But once I start spraying this, hi chicks. Once I start spraying this, they hate it. Look at them. They will scatter. They hate this peppermint oil. So it's interesting that that's the only one. I'm gonna spray a bunch on those eggs too, because maybe it'll kill the eggs. My friend was saying to pick them off and put them in dish soap water. And I'm just, yeah, no, I don't do bugs. Look at that guy, he's fleeing. He's like, get me out of here. Oh, there's a bunch over here. Look at that. They all started coming out once I started spraying. Look at all that. Okay, yeah, they do not like this peppermint oil. As soon as I started spraying, there was some over there I couldn't even see. Yep, we are going to spray a palooza. Because they are all over the place. Anyhow, so I'm gonna spray this, but trust me, this, I mean, today we kind of, I feel like this is the most I've seen in about 4 days, but it was bad. We had a ton everywhere. So I'm kind of sold on this peppermint oil. Super easy spray. If bugs don't bug you, ideally you want to pick them off and put them in dish soap. I just, dish soap water, a bucket. Yeah, I don't do bugs, so I'm not gonna touch them. Maybe I can get my kids to do it, but anyhow, for now this is working. Okay, now I'm seeing a few more now, the more that I look, but look at these are all dead. Those are all dead. I'm pretty sure, yeah. Yeah, there's like another dead one. Oh, where? On that leaf down there. Oh my goodness. Okay, I am seeing, like, I don't see any groupings. Remember that one leaf when I showed you and it was just, there was like 40 of them all clumped around? That, I've seen that for like a couple of weeks now. I've seen them usually about, well, every time I've gone out, they'll be like that. There'll be at least one big grouping. Not one. So I've counted, oh, I better put some more water in here. I can count maybe 10 squash bugs that I saw this morning, which before today, you couldn't even count. Like, there were so many. I'm so doing this again. I'm gonna just do this for a couple days. The peppermint oil, let me set you up there. I'm gonna totally do this peppermint oil for a couple days. Anyhow, yeah, those bugs were like going crazy yesterday and I was spraying them in the afternoon and they were like fleeing the plants. So I'm so excited. I'm totally gonna spray everything. So they get moving pretty fast with this stuff. I found, okay, there's one grouping behind one leaf I found. And aside from that one grouping, there's like 1, 2, 3, maybe 5 to 8. But they do not like this peppermint stuff. They get moving pretty fast away from it. Oh, it's interesting. Better get down here a little more. So it's just funny. So yeah, they are, it's like, I don't, like, I've looked down at the other plants, like the squash and zucchini, it's only the pumpkin. So these ones, and there's a bunch of spider webs back here on this one. That's really funny. Which the peppermint will kind of help with the spider too. All right, I'm gonna come check these plants. Now, the last 2 days I've come out here, and granted it's been early in the morning, I could not find one squash bug. Not one. So I'm kind of wondering if it's been cooler evenings. It's been down to like mid to high 50s, like early morning when I'm out here. So I'm wondering if they just weren't out, if they were hiding. So now that it's closer to lunchtime, I'm gonna come see with my bottle. Okay, I see one big one right there, but I'm gonna look. Here, let me turn this around. All right, so I do see one guy right there. I'm gonna spray him. But this, for some reason, this particular area, oh my gosh, no, look, there's a bunch of them. No, can you see all those? No, I was so excited because they're like, seriously, the last 2 days, they hate this stuff. Those are all big ones too, shoot. They hate, can you see that there's quite a few? I would say about a dozen. But I'm not seeing them on these other plants. Let's look over here. It's so funny because it seems to be only this area right here. It's just the funniest thing. Like, I have not seen them anywhere else in the garden. And this isn't even squash. This is pumpkin. Well, I mean, pumpkin is a squash, but isn't that funny? Like, I thought for sure they would be all over. So the other day when I was spraying, I couldn't see any until I started spraying over here, and then they started like, oh yep, I see a bunch in there now. Can you see those down in there? I can't reach back there. But yeah, it's just this, it tends to be like this specific plant right here. We have these pumpkins down here, and I haven't seen like any. Like it's just this plant. I don't know why they're picking on this one. And these right here are the squash and zucchini. I mean, they're called squash plants. And or squash bugs. These leaves have gotten green, but I've looked all through here. I do spray them just because I don't want the squash bugs to come this direction to avoid the spray. But it's not funny. It's just that one plant right there that, well, there's kind of two because there's one in the back. But I have not seen them on any of these squash and zucchini. That's just so funny. But yeah, some of these leaves have really gotten yellow, which is just weird because you can tell something's been eating away at it, but I haven't seen any bugs on them. I spray them anyway just in case, but yep, I've seen ladybugs. Look, if there's a ladybug on right there. But anyhow, okay, so even today, all those that I saw today, there was probably 12 to 15, but that is nothing compared to when I first started this. So peppermint oil, totally worth doing.